Alright, state number 17, Arizona. I finally left New Mexico. First stop on the Arizona road trip is Petrified Forest National Park. Well, I finished up at Petrified Forest National Park and I'm just gonna make my way to Tucson, Arizona today. Hang out in southern Arizona for, I don't know, probably a week or so. Next stop, Tucson, Arizona. Day 2 of the Arizona road trip. Spent the night in Tucson. Now we are here at Saguaro National Park. I'm gonna do the 4-mile hike to Wasan Peak, which is the highest peak of the western portion of this park. Pretty wiped, but I gotta take advantage of this good weather. So I figured I'm just gonna do the hike today. Why not? So I'm basically going to be climbing that ridge right up here and taking that all the way across to Wasan Peak. It's about 1,700 total feet of elevation gain. You're walking up and down on the ridge up there. But yeah, should be a fun hike. I always have a soft spot for Arizona and I love hiking here. Definitely happy to be in Arizona. It's an awesome state. Alright, I reached the ridge line. So Wasan Peak, 2.2 miles away. Still heading up though. Still got more elevation to do. I almost stepped on a snake. It wasn't rattling or anything. It was really thin and skinny. It made its way up into the bush right here. He's probably long gone, honestly. I don't know. Or under the rock. I wasn't sure if I was gonna see a snake, particularly a rattlesnake. There's definitely signs of them, so gotta watch out. It's about 1:30, so it took about an hour and a half to climb 3.9 miles. I'm just gonna be eating my sandwich and then I'm gonna head back down the same way I came up. All right, day 3 of the Arizona road trip. I'm at Picacho State Park, climbing up to Picacho Peak. 3 days and 3 hikes. It's been an awesome start to Arizona. Made it to the top of Picacho Peak. What a beautiful 360 view the Tucson Valley. Really an amazing hike, a really cool hike to do. Pretty hard, pretty difficult, very applied, and a decent amount of climbing. Really fun hike, and I definitely recommend it. There's these birds that are flying around the summit of this mountain. You can hear them. It's like a Nerf gun or a Nerf bullet. It's almost like they're playing with you. They get pretty close to you, but then they just like fly off in the opposite direction. Oh, I wonder if you could hear that. Here's one. There's a few of them now. They're so fast. Probably just playing in the wind on the mountain here. There's a bird. What are you doing, little guy? Do you not even notice me? Can't tell if he's alright. Can you fly? He's not too hurt to get away from me, so can't do anything about that. Alright, that was an awesome hike up. Now, time to head back down and eat some lunch. I'm starving.